Assalamu alaikum, little friends. Welcome back to Islamic Kids National. Today, we are going to read a wonderful Ramadan story together. The book that we are going to read today has beautiful illustrations and a beautiful story about the importance of giving to others. I'm so excited to read it to you. So, without further ado, let's read. The book that we are going to read today is called Rameena's Ramadan. This is a Twinkle original, which is a website with tons of educational resources. Wow, these colors are so pretty! Rameena's Ramadan. It was very early in the morning when Rameena joined her family in the living room. Mom, Dad, and Zainab were eating bread, eggs, and fruit for suhoor. "Can I fast too?" asked Rameena. "It's wonderful that you want to take part," said Mom. "But you're still too young to fast all day. You can join us for a little while before you go back to bed." Rameena sat next to Zainab and smiled as Dad passed her some fruit. After they had eaten, Zainab helped Rameena to reveal the final message in her Ramadan calendar. "Give to others," read Zainab. Rameena knew just what to do. She rushed up to her room to check her money jar. "I'll find someone to give this money to," she said. She fell back to sleep, dreaming of how she could use her money to help others. Later that morning, Rameena got ready for the day, putting the money safely in her pocket. Downstairs, she helped her parents make lots of delicious food to take to the community center. As they loaded all the tins and trays of food into the car, Rameena spotted their neighbor, Pam, in her garden. "Hi!" called Rameena. "Are you okay?" "I'm fine," said Pam. "I'm just worried about my beautiful plants. I haven't been able to do any gardening since I broke my arm." "Don't worry," said Rameena. "We can sort out your garden in no time." Rameena and Zainab watered the flowers while Mom and Dad pulled up all the weeds and trimmed the hedges. "Oh, thank you," said Pam. "That was so kind of you. I hope you have a lovely Eid." Next, the family went to meet Mrs. Hussein at the community center and donated all of the food they had prepared. "Wow," said Mrs. Hussein. "This all looks very tasty. We've been able to help so many people already today, but there's still so much to do." "Don't worry," said Rameena. "We can stay and help." Mom and Dad worked with the other volunteers serving food to lots of hungry people. Meanwhile, Rameena and Zainab tackled the huge mountain of washing up. "Oh, thank you," said Mrs. Hussein. "You've all been so helpful." That afternoon, the family went shopping for everything they needed for their Eid celebrations. At the market, they bumped into Dad's friend, Tariq. "Is everything all right?" asked Dad. "I'm okay," said Tariq. "I just need some raisins to make my sheer horma, but they've sold out," he said. "Don't worry," said Rameena. "We can give you some of ours." "Oh, thank you," said Tariq. "That's very generous. Sheer horma is my son's favorite." As the sun started to set, it was time for iftar. Mom, Dad, and Zainab broke their fast with dates and water. Then the family said the Maghrib prayer together. As they all ate dinner, Rameena gazed at the crescent moon. That night, Rameena went upstairs and got ready for bed. "Oh no," she thought. "I've been so busy, I forgot to find someone to give my money to." She settled down to sleep, feeling disappointed. The next morning was the first day of Eid. Mom, Dad, Rameena and Zainab went to the mosque, dressed in their special new clothes. Inside the mosque, Rameena prayed. Allahu Akbar, the Imam said. Allahu Akbar, everyone replied. On the way back home, Dad noticed that Rameena seemed quieter than normal. What's wrong? He asked. I am excited that it's Eid, she said. I'm just sad that I didn't get to give to others like my calendar said. What are you talking about? Said Dad, surprised. You watered Pam's garden for her. Then you washed up all those plates for Mrs. Hussein. And it was your idea to share our raisins with Tariq. You've given your time, your help, and your love. You don't have to give money to help others. Rameena felt better as she realized that Dad was right. That night, Rameena and her family were joined by grandparents, uncles, aunts, cousins, and friends. They had all brought food, sweets, and gifts for their big celebration. Rameena smiled as she enjoyed a huge feast with the people she loved. After the meal, everyone made their way outside for the fireworks. They all gasped as they watched the colorful explosions. Eid Mubarak, Rameena shouted happily. Eid Mubarak, everyone replied. The end. Wow, kids, that was such a wonderful story, and it taught us such an important message. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did. And I hope you were listening attentively, because now do you know what time it is? It's trivia time! All of the questions in this trivia are based on the story we just read. So, let's see if you are paying attention. You will have 10 seconds for each question. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. What does Rameena want to do at the beginning of the story? A. Go shopping. B. Play with friends. C. Fast. Or D. Help her family. And the correct answer is C. Fast. Question 2. What time of day is it at the beginning of the story? A. Morning. B. Afternoon. C. Evening. Or D. Night. And the correct answer is A. Morning. Very early morning. Question 3. What does the final message in Rameena's calendar say? A. Help your parents. B. Read a book. C. Play with friends. Or D. Give to others. And the correct answer is D. Give to others. Question 4. What does Rameena want to give to others? A. Some money. B. Some food. C. Some toys. Or D. Some treats. And the correct answer is A. Some money. Question 5. What do Rameena and her family do to help Pam? A. They do the gardening for her. B. They do the cleaning for her. C. They drive her to the shops. Or D. They help her make food. And the correct answer is A. They do the gardening for her. Question 6. What does Rameena offer to share with Tariq? A. Bananas, B. Rice, C. Raisins, or D. Berries? And the correct answer is C. Raisins. Question 7. Draw a line to match each character to how Rameena helps them. So, there are two ways you can do this. You can either pause the video and roughly sketch this on a piece of paper, or you could just think of it in your head and then wait for the answer. Like visualize it in your head. Okie dokie, let's see. And this is the correct answer. So, Pam is matched with Rameena waters the flowers. Mrs. Hussain is matched with Rameena does the washing up. And Tariq is matched with Rameena shares her raisins. Did you remember when these scenes took place in the book? If you did, good job! Question 8. Where does Rameena and her family take the food they had prepared? A. The grocery store. B. The community center. C. The school hall. Or D. A fundraiser. And the correct answer is B. The community center. Question 9. Complete this sentence. They had all brought food, sweets, and blank space for the big celebration. What could the blank space word be? It could be A. Children, B. Toys and games, C. Books, or D. Gifts. Which one? And the correct answer is D. Gifts. Question 10. Draw a line to match the word to its correct meaning. Same thing. Let's see if you get it right. Okay, time's up. Let's see the answer. Okay, so volunteers. What does that mean? Volunteers are people who freely offer to do something. The word generous means willing to give more than is necessary or expected. And disappointed means feeling sad because someone or something hasn't met your expectations. Did you get them all right? If you did, you are a superstar. Question 11. What does everyone do at the end of the story? A. They go out for a walk. B. They watch the fireworks. C. They go shopping. Or D. They play a fun game. And the correct answer is B. They watch the fireworks. Question 12. How does Dad help to make Rameena feel better at the end of the story? So this is the kind of question where you have to think, refer back to that scene and think about what Dad did to make her feel better. Your answer could be anything. It doesn't matter how you form up the words. Time's up. The correct answer is he reminds her that she has helped many people. He tells her that you don't have to give money to help others. If your answer was similar to this, then you are correct. Good job. And this is the main lesson of the story. Rameena wanted to give to others by giving her money, But she did so many generous acts of service in the book that was basically a way of giving to others. She didn't have to give money to help others. And that is very important. You can help others in any little act of service that you do. And that is the end of our trivia. That was so much fun. Did you get them all correct? If you did, congratulations. We will read more books like this together soon, inshallah. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends and family to spread the knowledge and the fun. Sending heartily wishes on this holy month, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless you all with pleasure and fill your home with His gracefulness. Ameen. Until the next video, goodbye kids!